Now, the diagram given illustrates a waveform. Determine the speed of the wave. Now, first thing you have to understand in this question is you have to know how many circles do you have in the diagram. Now, let us assume this is a circle. So if this is a circle, if you cut it into two, you see you'll be able to move it, say this way. So if I move it and put it this way, so this will form one cycle like this. So if it is like this, so let me now show it in the like this. So it will look like what you have here. That means this is one complete cycle. So look at it again. So you know this is one cycle like this. So but you will see it in the waveform, that is the like this. So that will be one cycle. So it's just continue like this. So it just continue like that. So that means according to this question now, from here to here is one cycle. So see, so that is one cycle. So this is another cycle, 2. This is another cycle, 3. That means in this question we have 3 cycles. So you can trace it. So this is one cycle. From here to here is another cycle, 2. From here again to here is another cycle. So we have 3 cycles there. So now what is one cycle? And the length of all the 3 cycles is 9 meter. So the length of one cycle is 3 and 1. So like this. So we have 3 cycles like this, and everything is 9 meter. So we need to know one cycle. So the distance for one cycle is just from here to here. So and that is 3 meter, because total 9 divided by 3 cycle, so is equals to 3 meter. That means one cycle here is 3 meter. So that 3 meter means we have already know lambda. So lambda is 3 meter like that. So for the time, so we have time at any time. If you look at the time very well, it covers 2 cycles, as in like this. It's not up to 3 cycles. So and for the 2 cycles, trace it. This is one cycle, then 2 cycles for the red. So that means you will have 0.6 divided by 2. That is 0.3 seconds. So that means one period is 0.3 seconds, like that. So you have no one wavelength and you have no the period. So the period is the time taken to travel one wavelength, and one wavelength is one complete cycle. So one complete cycle is 3 meter, because total is 9 and we have 3 cycles. So one cycle will be 3 meter. That is lambda. And the time for that one cycle is 0.3. So remember, the time covers 2 cycles. So that's what you do. So now the formula to find the speed of the wave. So V equals to lambda over t. That is like displacement over time, but for one cycle, so that is lambda over t. So the speed of the wave is lambda over t. So that is 3 divided by 0.3. So the speed is 10 meter per second. So that is the answer. So the correct option is D.